Hey beautiful souls! Ready to conquer dry skin like a camel finding an oasis? Let's jump into this moisture-packed adventure together. Morning skincare routine. 1. Cleansing. First things first, wake up and greet the day with the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. It's so gentle, it treats your skin like royalty without stripping away that precious moisture. 2. Toning. Next up, we've got the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Toner. Think of it as a little pep talk for your skin, getting it ready for all the hydration it's about to soak in. 3. Serum. Now, let's give your face a sip of water with the Drunk Elephant Bee Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum. It's like a big gulp of moisture that your skin will thank you for. 4. Moisturizing. Lock it all in with the La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair Face Moisturizer. This stuff is like a cozy blanket for your skin, repairing and soothing all day long. 5. Sun protection. Don't forget the sunscreen. Slather on the LTMD UV Clear Broad Spectrum SPF 46 to protect your precious face from UV rays while keeping it hydrated and happy. Evening skincare routine. 1. Makeup removal. Time to bid adieu to the day's makeup with the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. It's like magic in a jar, melting away even the toughest mascara without a fuss. 2. Cleansing. Cleanse away the day with the CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser. It's got ceramides and hyaluronic acid, basically a dream team for nourishing and cleansing your skin. 3. Exfoliation, 1 to 2 times a week. Let's slough off those dead skin cells with the Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 8% AHA Gel Exfoliant. Smooth skin. Yes, please. 4. Hydration boost. Time for a hydration boost. Apply the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5 serum and watch your skin plump up like a happy little dumpling. 5. Nighttime nourishment. Seal the deal with the Embryoless La Creme Concenter. It's like a bedtime story for your skin, repairing and deeply moisturizing overnight. 6. Eye care. Don't neglect those peepers. Dab on some Kiehl's creamy eye treatment with avocado to hydrate and say goodbye to puffiness. 7. Optional step. For an extra dose of luxury, indulge in the Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. Wake up looking like you just came back from a spa day. And there you have it. Your ultimate guide to pampering dry skin with some of the best products from around the globe. Remember, consistency is key to that glowing, happy skin. If you enjoyed hanging out with me today, don't forget to smash that like button, drop a comment with your favorite skincare tip, and subscribe for more beauty adventures. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.